Brad Williams, Excel primed. Combine three individual lists into a single list. We're going to go through a number of what's been introduced previously, the HSTACK. This is going to be a series of HSTACK tutorials. H meaning horizontal. I'm going to grab the various data. We're just going to move three columns over into one. HSTACK lets you combine cell ranges or arrays. It joins data to the first blank cell to the right of a cell range or array. You know, I'm not a fan of that word array or range. Range or array, I'm gonna refer to it as a list. Here, the HSTACK function horizontally combines two or more lists into one. Each succeeding list is positioned to the left of the previous list. The output of the HSTACK is a single list that spills over into multiple worksheets. Here we have HSTACK B5, and we're all array driven. We're going to grab from B5 to B14, and we're going to do the exact same thing across the three lists, and we're going to combine them into one. Read it if you need it. Take a look at this particular anatomy. Break this thing apart. Input your own data. Hit F9 if you want. This is just a moving target. You can see nothing surprising there. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Thanks for watching.